name's Derick, hailing from New Mexico, United States. And I'm using the Collision 5Bs, and I have to say that I'm really digging them. They're pretty well balanced and they feel really perfect in my hands and very playable and very versatile with the different styles that I'm currently doing with 3 bands and working on a 4th project at the moment, and they feel perfect. And 5B's always my go-to, and yeah, I would recommend them to my fellow peers and anybody else playing drums or wanting to play drums. So here's a clip of a recent gig I just did over the weekend, and I used these and they were great. And I can't wait to do more shows with these and continue with the projects I'm doing right now. And yeah, really digging these. But here's a clip of me using these with one of the bands, the recent gig. Check it out.